You can hit $1,500 a week as a video editor this year, but not in the way that most people think. Most editors, they believe that the path is stacking more gigs, editing faster, and grinding harder. But that's exactly why they are stuck at $200 projects. The truth is that $1,500 a week comes from fewer clients who pay more, not endless cheap projects. I know this because I lived it. I was stuck grinding $200 projects and working full weeks for just scraps. Then I shifted how I positioned myself, and suddenly clients were paying 2K to 4K per month. And that changed everything. In this video, I will show you the simple math, the framework, and why $1,500 a week isn't just possible. It's the easiest baseline once you package yourself the right way. Most editors, they are stuck on the $200 treadmill. You land a project, grind for days, send a file, and wait for payment. Then it's right back to chasing the next client. It feels like you're moving, but you're not getting anywhere. Every week starts at zero, and every win disappears the second you deliver the file. And the belief is simple: if you work more, you'll earn more. Stack extra clients, edit faster, take on every gig that comes your way, but here's the trap. All that effort doesn't multiply your income. It just multiplies your hours, and eventually your energy will run out before your bank account does. Sorry, my mic died. Let's get back. In my own numbers, this is how it played out. 2 clients at 2K each equals 4K a month. That's over 1K a week. And I was working less than when I was chasing $200 jobs. And that's the power of retainers. And the kicker is, the easiest money doesn't come from giant brands or influencers. It comes from small businesses, coaches, and creators who desperately need consistent editing, or who desperately needs help with their social medias or their video workflow. Because they don't want one-off freelancers. They want someone who they can trust every single month. And here's why. Big brands, they have layers of approvals, endless delays, and budgets that shift every quarter. Small businesses, they can afford to stall. They need content weekly or daily to grow their audience. They sell products or keep their clients engaged. And that urgency means that they say yes faster. They pay on time, and they keep you around as long as possible. And that's why these clients are the backbone of $1,500 a week. So now I will tell you the whole roadmap. This is 5 steps that lift your baseline to $1,500 a week minimum. It will be no more guessing, no more waiting on random one-off gigs. If you follow these steps, you will lock in a predictable income and escape the $200 treadmill for good. Step 1 is picking the right clients. Not all clients are equal, and the wrong clients, they will drain you, nitpicks you, and ghost you after 2 projects. The right client though, they value speed, clarity, and consistency. Coaches, small businesses, agencies, they need ongoing editing. You win by targeting the clients who actually afford to stay with you long term. Step 2 is packaging your editing like a system. Most editors, they sell hours, and that's why they are stuck. Because you need to sell a package that feels like a system, like a predictable machine clients can rely on. So instead of saying I'll edit videos for $200, it becomes 4 long-form videos every month for 2K, because it feels professional, repeatable, and just a lot more valuable. And here's the math. If an editor charges $100 a video, 6 videos is worth $600. But if they then package it as a system, those same 6 videos, but positioned as a monthly solution, suddenly that's worth 2K. It's the same work, but just different framing. That's the leverage of packaging. Most editors, they beg for work. Professionals, they position themselves as the solution. You're not chasing, you're showing why your editing system saves the client's time, builds authority, and drives them in sales and revenue. So when you position yourself, instead of pitching, you attract the clients who respect you. Step 4 is close simple retainers. I know, retainers sound intimidating, but they're actually really simple. Instead of one invoice per project, you send it once per month. One agreement, steady pay, and steady work. Clients love it because it's predictable for them, and you love it because you don't need to wake up every Monday chasing for new gigs. This is the punchline. Order takers get replaced, while partners stay. When you think like a partner, you're not just editing anymore, you're solving business problems for them. And that mindset shift is what earns you $1,500 a week consistently. So a retainer is basically your safety net. While other editors are scrambling for gigs, you've got 2, 3, or 4 clients covering rent, bills, food, before you even touch extra work. And that safety net gives you freedom. And freedom is priceless. Last step, step 5, is you need to deliver ROI editing. The final step is to deliver ROI editing. Content that actually grows the client's business or social medias. You don't just cut clips anymore. You need to edit with a strategy. Every piece you do helps them attract leads, build authority, or sell more. When your client sees your editing as ROI, they will never let you go. So let's recap. Hitting $1,500 a week doesn't take 20 clients. It takes 2 or 3 good ones on retainers. And that's it. You no longer need to be everywhere. You just need to package right, position right, and lock in a handful of relationships. Now, picture this. 3 clients, 3 monthly invoices. That's 6K a month coming in, without chasing scraps or pulling all-nighters. It's a predictable, steady income that gives you space to breathe and create. And the best part is, you don't need new skills. You already know how to edit. The shift is packaging and positioning those skills in a better way for the clients. Same editing, same timeline, but when you present it as a system, it pays you 5 times more and keeps paying you every single month. And last year, you probably said the same thing. This year, I'll take editing seriously. But then, another year went by, you kept doing $200 jobs, you kept chasing random clients, and you kept burning out. So don't let 2025 become a copy of the last year. The editors who win, they are the ones who change their approach now. Editing, it doesn't get easier by grinding harder. It gets easier when you work with fewer clients and better ones who value what you do. And that's the entire game. So step into these last months with that mindset. And you won't just survive, you'll scale a lot. Alright, so I've given you the framework and the direction, but if you want to see exactly how to do this step by step, then watch the video on screen right now or the first link in the description. Remember, don't just watch, take action.